Clark Brooks has a hidden talent. He doesn't use it often, but when he does, it's spectacular.
In the last 10 years, probably once every 10 years. I don't make it too often.
But when he does, he disappears into his work. A fold here, a tear here. A few more folds. And then some more folds. A staggering amount of folds. So many folds that I lost track. But then, something begins to take shape. Tell me about this bird. How does this bird work?
You pull the tail.
And then the artist sits back, finished for another 10 years.
It's great for the grandkids.